I do have a favorite professor at BGSU Firelands. Dr. Suba is a chemistry professor, and she is the best professor I've ever had. I believe that she's the smartest woman that I know, and she has taught me more inside and outside the classroom than any teacher has ever done that for me. And she makes it so that you can ask questions in class and not feel weird about it, and she teaches so well you barely have to ask questions. Actually, she has been very supportive of me being a mother, and I believe that she is the reason that I feel so comfortable on campus when it comes to diversity, being a mother, everything. There has been times where I've had to come to her and tell her that, I don't have a babysitter and I might not be able to make it to class, and she's always so comforting, and she lets me know that I'm a good student and that everything's gonna be okay.